Renzo Piano once said, "One of the greatest beauties of architecture is that each time it is like life starting all over again. And it is in these times that I find the happiness that every start provides." I have been in this profession for almost 18 years, and with time, many new architects have stepped in and surprised us. Many architects who I have looked up to as an amateur still makes me wonder. Times have passed, but every phase gave this fraternity memorable people and provided the world timeless architecture. As an architect and a faculty, I have always tried to impart to students a kind of understanding about architecture which is beyond structure and closer to needs. And it gives me much privilege to be able to unleash this venture by one of my students, Jeswin Vargheese. Praj, an architecture and interior design studio. Praj, a word rooting from the language of Sanskrit, reflects on everything the studio aims to cherish, from the exploration of an architect through his journey of discovering architecture beyond the set principles and in the note of what a person simply expects to feel in a space that they own. While we rapidly pace into new world things, sophisticated and tangled norms of society, as a fellow architect, I hope Praj makes you want to question beyond normalcy. I would like to declare Praj as hereby launched.
Raj. In the tiring times, we realized our homes were more than just a dream. In the rush of successful lives, we slowed for months but never paused. We worked, created, led and ate in a space we imagined to reside. Our happy place was a reason we stayed indoors and saved the world. As humans, we realized the spaces around us weren't just walls but curated enough to calm ourselves. Our offices didn't just crumble into cubicles. We missed the space in that building. Cafes weren't just anymore about food, but how the space made you feel. Every single materialistic thing that was tangible to you has left a mark on you with or without you realizing that. And as an architect, I realized the privilege upon this community to help you narrate your soul into a space where you find your utmost happiness in. To let you understand what makes your familiarity and belongingness. And this is where Praj begins. From the places where your stories end, we intend to simply show you the stage. We don't create, we just draw your dreams. Praj is everything in amid the end and between. And for you, Praj will be an extra full stop at the end of your sentence to simply let you continue. We at Praj just narrate stories of happiness, times and togetherness. Simply stories of you and us.